When you live in a small space like this, water consumption is a big consideration. So this fall we made this addition, and it's a desk that opens up like this.
Van life is a community, and to be part of the community, you have to have the right mindset. Do it for the right reason and enjoy. Hi, I'm Ermi. She's Lou, and this is Bert. So come and check it out with us. So this is our kitchen. We have this bar sink, which is quite deep, so it's very fun to do the dishes in this sink. Since it's installed on the side, you can use it to shower outside as well. And we're from Quebec, Canada, so we have wintry weather over there, and sometimes when we don't want to use the water from the back tank there, we have an extra water, so you can find the water inside here. And also we have a water heater here, and it's a 4-gallon Bosch, so we can take a nice warm shower. Up here we have an extra counter with the induction stove recess in it. So we decided to insert this induction cooktop so it will take less space. By having it there on the side, it's always ready, and we also can use this extra space whenever we do the dishes. And if we need even extra space, we have a third table here that we can also use, and now it's become an island. So my kitchen is a full island, and I can work out, and normally we work it out this way. And we have our coffee machine, and instead of using microwave, we decide to go with air fryer because we can bring it out, and we have an extra battery for it, so we can cook outside and make nice chicken wings. And we like that. It's fun. It's party. And on the other side, we have the Instant Pot. So a lot of you have an Instant Pot at home. We have an Instant Pot inside our van. It's a small one. So whenever we want to create a soup or anything like a sauce or a stew, we can use that as well. It's good to know that there's other option for people who don't want to use their microwave, which takes a lot of space as well. All around, there's been a storage, and it's the same for the room that we'll see a little bit later. All over the van, we wanted to make it look like we're in vacation, and we like California, and every time we go there, we see people surfing, and we like the beach style. So we were looking for a wood that would look a little bit like beach, and this is beach wood. It looks like surfboards and natural wood, and it makes it beachy. I like it. So if you're not traveling alone, you know that sometimes you got to do your clean up a little bit. So I make a little station for my wife here, and we have this Velcro mirror that she can use to put on some makeup and do her hair. And now she has also lights for to see whatever she has to do. And she's already beautiful, but you know, always has to do something with her hair. So that's an add-on that we also like.
We traveled out west in 2016, and we rented a van, and we traveled the big circle, the national parks, and there we fell in love with the van lifestyle, and we told ourselves one day we'll have one. So we've been planning for it for quite a while, and we made the move in 2020, and it took us about 6 months to build out.
It's a ProMaster from Chrysler, so the 2500 159-inch wheelbase,
yeah,
and
not extended.
So it's not the longest one, it's not the short one, it's right in the middle. We like it because we can park it everywhere. It's like almost like a car, a normal van. I'd say that we're put around $40,000 Canadian. That's about maybe 30 US. So, and if you balance it with, let's say, something that you purchase already made, we still think that we made a great deal rebate, because we had a lot of stuff for what we pay for. Okay, another great feature in our van is our fridge/freezer. It's a Snowmaster Expedition series. We double it as a seat. That's where we can sit to lunch. What we like about it is that we have a large freezer, and you can decide if you want to make it all fridge or half and half fridge and freezer. So, and it's sturdy, it's solid, and it works on 12 volts. So we have this little tablet, that's where we have our internet system. And I have the music part, because of course I like music. So we have speakers inside. We have one speaker there, one in the front and two in the back. so we can have music whenever we are working inside or outside.
Since we like to get out as much as we can on the road, I used to bring my computer, and I had an extra keyboard, an extra mouse here, and I used to work on top of the desk, and then, okay, it's lunchtime, have to shut down everything and move it away. So Ermi had the bright idea to create a desk. He saw that on the internet, actually. So this fall we made this addition, and it's a desk that opens up like this, just like, you know, like your basic elementary school desk. And I can work here. I have my keyboard, my little computer here. So I have everything I need, and I'm good to go. And then when we need to have lunch again, just bring it down and voila. Underneath the desk / table, we also have storage. That's where we have our Webasto heater, which is very effective. And then we even have a tube that we can use to bring heat into the garage to heat the batteries. And another tube that goes under the shower that heats the shower. So that's really great. So it's powerful for that. You know, everything is compact, but very efficient and useful. So here we are in our wet bath. First of all, there is a toilet. It's a composting toilet. There are no smells because we do have a tube and that vents out to the outdoors. So as you may know, when you live in a small space like this, water consumption is a big consideration. So you do have to save water. So one of the things we do is we take, as we call it, commando showers, which are showers where you rinse off, scrub up, and then rinse again, and then you're done. But the fact that it's enclosed like this, and there's even the heater that goes in when it's you're in cold weather, it's perfect because you don't really get that cold. So it's fine, it works out. And we also have this screen that's like a shower curtain, but it's a privacy shower curtain, but there is a porthole in it so that you don't feel too enclosed, and air flows as well. So we really enjoy having that.
Van life is a community, and to be part of the community, you have to have the right mindset. You have to be ready to share with people. You have to be ready to listen to what others are saying as well, and you want to be able to also get together, right?
Well, that's it, because I was going to say, if you're a single person living in a van, well, you'll appreciate probably meeting other people and having that sense of community.
And you have to be responsible. You're being part of a big community. So whatever good you do, you're doing for everybody. Yeah, whatever bad you do,
you give a bad reputation to the lifestyle.
And then we have less space to park our van and to enjoy life. So do it for the right reason and enjoy it.
So here we are in our bedroom. We have some storage up here for our laundry. That's the open storage part. And then we have storage for our clothing, and extra here for when we're out on long trips. This bed is hydraulic, so it can go up and down. And actually, if you do remove the mattress, it can even go up all the way to the cabinets. So that's very nice if you need extra storage underneath. We also have a little table here, little lagoon base, for either working or snacking or breakfast in bed. And also what I really love is in here is the features, the skylight that opens up, and it has a darkness screen or also a bug screen. The way to get up on the bed is on a ladder. It's a boat ladder that pulls, and that is practical because when we do change the height of the bed, the ladder will go with it. It stretches out more into the hallway, or less, depending on the height of the bed.
So we have a full-size garage here. What's important to notice is that our tanks, water tanks and the gray tanks, are inside the van. We're back from Quebec, Canada. Over there it's cold and freezing, so we want to be able to use the van during the winter time. So we decided to have the water and the tanks inside the van. We have 22 gallons of water, and we have a 22 gallon of gray water tank. And we also have a sliding platform here. So this one is full size, but we also have a working one. So sometimes you just want to do some work and you don't want to bring everything out. And if you need to put some stuff on a shelf, we have one ready for that as well. We have 400 amp of battery. So those are bottom-borne battery, and they're not the new ones with the heating system in it, but we have the Webasto bringing some hot air in the garage. So the battery stay warm during the winter as well. And we also have on the roof 510 watts of solar panel. So we never miss electricity. We can boondock for a few days in a row without any problems. So we're both content creators. I'm a photographer, but with time I became also a videographer. I do live streaming and podcasting.
Yeah, I'm more on the text side, so writing and translating some text that we do for our
Podcast
content.
and for our clients.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah.
Yeah. Our project with Bert was to create something for everyone. So we call ourselves Invincible. You can find us online on Instagram, Invincible Life, invincible.ca on the website. And our project is to help every van lifer to stay healthy, learn about their weaknesses. So hopefully we'll have the chance to share tips with you guys and get some tips from you guys also on our Instagram channel.
We hope to see you on the road.
Yeah.